Okay, I'm doing an experiment. I got this amazing espresso machine for Christmas, and it kept leaving a lot of water in the grounds. So I contacted the company and they sent me a replacement. Well, the replacement was doing the exact same thing. So they suggested that I maybe was tamping down the grounds too much, so not to tamp down the grounds at all. But it still was doing the same amount of water. So I'm making a double shot of espresso in each machine. In this machine, I did not tamp the grounds down other than to level them so they weren't sticking up over the edge. And this machine, I tamped the grounds down. I thought we were supposed to be doing that. Anyway, here's the one that I did not tamp down at all. And we'll see. That's a lot of water in there. And here's the one that I tamped down, not excessively, but just, it's a little tight. Okay, that's the one I tamped down. So it looks to me like there's the exact same amount of water. So if I pour this, you can see the grounds come out kind of yucky. And here's the other one. I don't know, guys. Is that normal?
It's telling me you didn't start the camera during the first 2 shots. I'll let you see. 1. Which is basically me just adding water to the 2 shots. But to give you an idea about how long it takes to brew 1 cup, that's about 22 seconds. Not too bad. 2 shots really doesn't make a difference. Longer, I think it's maybe 30 seconds. But I love how quick this thing brews my espresso.
All the little goofy keepers aren't anywhere else. Look at that, no coffee. This is the most annoying espresso maker ever.